Good day to all participants. I'm pleased to welcome all of you for this important event that's taking place on the eve of the International Day of the Girl Child, declared by the United Nations in 2011 and marked annually on 11th October since 2012. This forum is extremely important, given that Tajikistan is a young nation, and I see enabled and empowered girl children shaping their own futures. This year's theme of the day is Girls' Vision for the Future, that conveys both the need for urgent action and persistent hope, driven by the power of girls' voices and vision for their own future. I would like every one of us to be a role model for promoting access, opportunities, safety, and ambition for every girl to realize their own dreams and aspirations, to motivate every girl to dare to dream big and to believe in themselves towards achieving their goals. With the right support, resources, and opportunities, the potential of the girls is limitless. What can we do more to ensure every girl has the opportunity to realize her full potential? We must recognize, nurture, and support girls' participation and leadership in shaping the future. We all need to create an enabling environment where girls can access innumerable opportunities for higher education and skill building for achieving their goals. The Beijing Declaration and Platform of Action remains the global Bill of Rights for women's equality. The Beijing platform continues to guide all our efforts to make the world fairer for girls and women everywhere. Let us learn, advocate, and push for policies that empower girls and women in your family, community, society, and country. Let us celebrate every day as the Day of the Girl Child. Thank you.